On the touchstone of the above said legal proposition, we have given our conscious thought on the material available on record. Full stop. The genesis of the incident alleged in the FIR is altercation between the two child and thereafter reporting it to their families, and it has been proved that before a day of the incident there happened to be a small marpeat of the children of two families, and with the result after reporting the matter to their mothers they have also exchanged hot words. Full stop. It is also established that the accused Lakshman was not present at that time, and he returned from the place of his employment in the evening of that day. Full stop. It is a natural fact that on coming back to have the wife of Lakshman would have narrated the incident to her husband. Full stop. Since the husband was not a witness of the incident, the genesis of the occurrence therefore could not be presumed to know the nature of the previous incident. Full stop. He might have taken a serious view and acted accordingly. Full stop. Now it can be safely concluded that it was not necessary for the prosecution to make out the motive. Rather, it is very difficult to mete out as to what was the mental state of the accused. Full stop. Under the facts and circumstances as stated above, the alleged motive could not be said to be unnatural or concocted. Rather, it can be concluded that the previous incident appears to be the genesis of this incident by accused Lakshman. Full stop. On the basis of the above legal proposition, on motive, the prosecution case is based on direct ocular testimony, and the ocular testimony is found to be unimpeachable and trustworthy. Full stop. Due to aforesaid reasons, the argument of the defense on motive or weak motive has no relevance. Full stop. Para. The last point raised by the accused appellant, that the accused has been falsely implicated in this case due to the alleged rivalry at the instance of Pradhan of the village Rajendra Singh. Full stop. On this point, we would like to mention that it is an admitted fact that the village Pradhan Rajendra Singh had won the election against one Gorelal, who is said to be the near relative of the accused. Full stop. It is also an admitted fact that the election was over 1 year earlier to the incident. It is relevant and important that Rajendra Singh has been produced as a prosecution witness number 4. Full stop. In his entire evidence, nothing has been shown to make out a case of false implication of the accused. Full stop. As already stated, the election was over 1 year before the said incident, more so Rajendra Singh, Pradhan, was a winning candidate. Full stop. Mere relationship of the accused with Gorelal, who was defeated in the election, cannot in ordinary course said to be the reason of false implication. Full stop. Since the election had taken place 1 year back and nothing had happened in the intervening period which may suggest that Rajendra Singh was annoyed and had taken steps to harm their adversaries or to help their supporters. Full stop. Para. Learned counsel for the appellant has further raised the point that the recovered lathi from the accused Lakshman does not have a mark of human blood. Full stop. This argument, in our mind, has no substance because it transpires from the entire prosecution story as well as evidence tendered in respect thereof, that after the incident at about 6 a.m. when the complainant tried to lodge an FIR, they were obstructed and the complainant tenant along with the victim returned back to their house, and thereafter when the condition of the victim was seriously deteriorated, they again tried to lodge the FIR. At this juncture, accused Lakshman along with 6 others blocked the way, and at that time, as per prosecution story, Bharose, Hardas were said to have snatched the lathis and ballam from those accused. Full stop. There appears to be a gap between the incident and the recovery of the weapons. Full stop. It is not the case of the prosecution that on the pointing out of the accused Lakshman, the weapon lathi which was used in the assault had been recovered, rather there is a time gap between the incident and the recovery of lathi from accused Lakshman, and that too for the second incident, that is blocking of the road for going to lodge an FIR to the police station. Full stop.